Well, hopefully you had a chance to get outside and enjoy the sunshine and the relatively warmer weather yesterday. Today, the clouds will be winning out and temperatures will be cooler, but overall, still looking at those wind chills staying above zero. So an excellent chance to get outside and enjoy the fresh blanket of snow that we received last week. Here's a live view looking out over downtown Holland. Pretty tranquil looking scene in the Tulip City. Downtown Grand Rapids, US 131 north and southbound here north of the S-curve. And as you can see, traffic moving along pretty smoothly on what for the most part is dry pavement on the main roads anyway. US 131, the Ford Freeway interchange. Temperatures are in the mid-20s. Now, yesterday we made it into the mid-30s for highs, and so we had those temperatures that allowed some melting to start going on. So things have refrozen this morning. So do watch, especially for those secondary and side roads, the sidewalks, parking lots, and driveways where there may be some icy spots. As you can see, feels like readings or wind chills are holding steady in the teens, and that's where they're going to hold from start to finish today. 35 degrees yesterday after a low of 13 degrees, so really nice temperature recovery during the afternoon. Yesterday was the 7th day this month we have had temperatures that have been above average. Today, looking at temperatures back below average, and for the rest of this week, a bit of a roller coaster ride as we get a series of clipper systems that'll be coming through. So watch for icy patches today, otherwise breezy, cold and quiet, a blustery Monday. Tomorrow we're back into the mid-30s with a little more sunshine, especially during the morning hours, and we will see the potential for some light snow, especially across northern lower Michigan and the UP. And the big story here after spending last week in the deep freeze, no Arctic air is in sight through at least the early part of the month of February. Here's a look at our live radar, and as you can see, the satellite radar combination, some light snow across the northern part of the state, into the central and eastern part of the UP, but here across our part of the state, looking at tranquil weather conditions. High pressure taking over briefly, but we've got another clipper system well to our northwest, and that's what is going to be the snowmaker for tomorrow, especially again in areas to the north of Grand Rapids. I'm fully anticipating nothing more than just trace amounts across the central and southern part of the state, while areas across northern lower Michigan and the eastern UP could pick up between now and the middle of the week as much as 6 to 12 inches of new snow. So we're windy tomorrow with more snow developing during the afternoon and evening hours, especially to the north. Little light snow could linger into early Tuesday morning. If we do see widespread snow, it would occur Wednesday with falling temperatures and a clipper system that'll produce, again, the potential for some snow, just a couple of inches at the very most, but could be enough to create a few travel issues on Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, we're back to sunshine. By Saturday, we warm up into the upper 30s to near 40 degrees, so a wintry mix with that next system coming in. And the 8 to 14 day outlook takes us through the first full week of February. The colder air really starts to pool across the central and western United States. Warm air building from the southeast up into the southern part of New England. And here in West Michigan, our temps should be at or maybe a little below average.